Hello, good day everyone. Good day sir. I'm Delio Monteclaro Pahayahay and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we're tasked to make a rhythmic improvisation using these following materials that we can find in the kitchen. So the first one I have here is my patik, which is I will use tinidor or fork. Second one is I have here basin or labador. The second one is the balunan. Third one is the steamer. And I have here taklob sang kaldero, and this one is the tumbler. So let's start. Okay, so we're done making rhythmic improvisation. So I hope that you learned something.